got stuck, and now he's cutting out the saw with another saw, which will make the tree.
Oh, and the tree
Go
kind of
down.
almost fell on us.
Heather, you keep an eye on the branches ahead.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't fall on us, Heather.
I'm kind of scared.
That's a lot of responsibility to put on my shoulders.
They're pulling.
Coming down.
It's leaning some more. Here it
You
goes!
can hear it. You can hear it cracking.
Oh, it's so scary.
Oh, here it comes.
It's leaning.
Look at that angle.
Crazy.
Whoa,
Whoa, here it goes! Ah, timber!
How to stop it?
This is how the masters do it. Okay, birdies, vacate. Okay, if we run, we're running towards over there by the top. Okay, there we go.
What the hell's holding it?
Oh, there's probably this much wood still.
Jeez.
Just hope this mall doesn't break. Yeah, you already got it almost buried. It's gone. It's gone.
I see it.
Oh, nice.
This way, it's pants. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, we hit your home.
It's alright. Yeah, it moved like quite a bit.
Oh, I got something too. Look at that. Yeah, look at too. Everything. He's always done that. Is that what the cars? I do that. Like a good feeling or? I'd say about a ton. Over a ton. How much is a ton? 2,000 pounds.
Yeah. Go down any a little bit. Yeah.
So 5,000 is only 2 pounds. Or 2 tons. It's 2,000 times 2 is 4,000. It's 2,009.
Oh, I like those on you. Those look nice.
I'd almost rather have snow than this cold rain.
Somebody else is going to pull it this time. I want to be able to see.
Well, I want to see too.
I will. Me too.
Steph, can you pull it this time? Mom, will you?
What do I do? Just jerk it?
No, just go real slow.
Oh.
No, you jerk it. I kept telling you that once.
So when you see the tree falling towards the vehicle, then step on it. Here, honey, let it. This is fine. It's fine. Those coveralls have got to be warm.
Yeah.
I went in there.
There, get tension on it first, Dad.
Watch Mom just hammer on the gas.
Turn the key, leave it right and drive.
Drag that log away.
That's a lot.